This concerns the disappearance and murder of Kyran Durnin. Now, as you know, Kyran Durnin, he was officially reported missing at the end of August last year. Gardaí believe the 6-year-old had died 2 years before that. Now, last year they launched a murder investigation and they have searched 2 properties previously. And this morning they've just sent us another update. And they say they're searching a house in Drogheda as part of their investigation, and the house will be subject of technical and forensic examinations. They say the purpose of this search is to discover any evidence which might provide us with information as to Kyran's current whereabouts or what's happened to Kyran. Now, they say that they've received extensive support from the public, but despite this, they've still been unable to locate his remains. And interestingly, in the Garda press release, they say they're aware of ongoing extensive public commentary on the investigation, including rumours and theories. And they say most of this is inaccurate and misinformed. And they say this is disruptive to the Garda investigation. And then finally, they're just asking anyone with information to come forward. And they say just don't assume that what you know, that they know also.
Okay, it's interesting in that line that they talk about in the press release about current whereabouts. Now, it is a murder inquiry, so they're presuming he's dead.
Yeah, well, they have said that previously, that, you know, this is not a missing persons case, that this is a murder investigation. And they did say that in August of last year. And, you know, when they initially said it, we were told he's 8 years old, but now they do believe he died when he was 6 years old.